Hey guys, welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Alright, so before I fly to China, a new part just arrived and we'll have a look at that now. So we're underneath the BYD Shark and you can see here I've munted up all these beautiful coolant lines. I'm sure everyone's seen that on Beer O'Clock Hill. It's 3 o'clock. Right, we'll,
so is it actually,
that one's popped.
Yeah, but
this one's split. Anyway, we've made our bash plate for this now, the little cover. You know, boys want to grab that off the bench over there and just bring it over and just show us what we got. All right, so this is our beautiful bash plate. It's made of stainless steel, so it won't rust. And the boys will quickly show you how to mount it. So we're going to remove this bolt here. Now, I've removed my bracket because mine's been munted, but you'll remove that bolt there. You'll have that on your car as well. You'll get the beautiful bash plate and mount it up like that. Move the coolant line out of the way. Line this up with the hole. Put your 13mm back in. Easy as that. Then at the front here, we supply stainless bolts. You might need to loosen that Roland, sorry. It needs to come forward about 2mm. Just, yep, okay. Now put your stainless steel bolts, push them through. It's gonna come through there like that. And then the other one's also gonna come through. The new ones will make the bolts a little bit shorter. This is the prototype. And the good thing about this is we've made it so it's nice and slim. So it still follows the profile of the lifting point, because remember these got lifting points on it. Because it sits nice and flush against that, you're still gonna be able to lift off here. You'll still be able to, you know, use your jacking pad on here with no issues at all. So we made sure of that. The other thing is, we've actually built it around the side here, so it protects the coolant line on the side. So not only underneath when it slices, you know, if it gets on the side, it's also gonna protect that. So once the boys get that through, we'll just tighten that up. I'm just gonna do those up, do it very slow, because it's a stainless on stainless. Sometimes they bind up, so you gotta be really careful not to get it too hot. The hoist is in the way on this one. We're gonna have to just do a little bit of a hand job. Roland doesn't mind giving a good hand job, so yeah, look at that smile whilst he does it. Look at that, working those forearms. All right, so look at that. It's all nicely mounted, looks sexy, savage. Stainless steel bolts, and use that original bolt. As easy as it gets to fit a bash plate for your coolant lines. So when you're off-roading, you don't smash them up like I did at Beer O'Clock Hill.